My name is Steve Spencer Lujan, and I'm from Haiti. Living back home was like hard, difficult, and dangerous. You're not safe, gang violence, insecurity. And then I used to see people get shot, and I used to see people kidnapped every single day. It's like you're living in a war. I always wanted to be a professional soccer player, to like have those opportunities that I didn't have where I was living back home in Haiti. One of like soccer players, like we used to play for the national team, get kidnapped for a ransom. I was thinking like I'm gonna be in constant danger here. The only thing on my mind was like I got to get out of here as soon as possible.
When I met Steve, I realized that he had a lot of potential, a lot of talent, and that he could really benefit from our help. A lot of times when we find our clients, they're about to turn 18 and everything needs to be rushed. Steve being 17 didn't allow us a lot of time, so as soon as I met him, I knew that we had to move fast to be able to help him.
Man, I mean, like when I realized that CABA Bono were able to help me, I was like, man, that's like a really good opportunity for me.
For me, the work that we do here at CABA Pro Bono changes our clients' lives because it allows them access to the court system. Whether they win or lose their case, they get to be before a judge, they get to tell their story, and the best part is when a judge gets to tell the client that what happened to them is not okay. I've seen it myself, I've seen it personally, how this changes a kid's life when they are told by a judge that what they've been through is not okay.
CABA Pro Bono is currently supporting our community by providing free legal services to low-income residents throughout the state of Florida. In its over 40 years, CABA continues to grow. We have now increased our staff to 16 with 9 attorneys. And we also expanded down to South Dade by opening a Kendall office to better serve our clients.
The history of CABA Pro Bono is very interesting. It started when a priest who was in our school in Belen, he was having a lot of people come to his church that they needed help, mostly elderly that did not speak any English. So he called me over and we spoke for a while and wanted to see how we could help him. When I got back to my office, I called Manny Morales to try to compile a list of attorneys to help us with this project. That's how the project got started. At that time, it was called Legal Assistance Project. A few months later, it got very big. And we thought there'd be a good project for CABA to take over. This was like in 1984, somewhere around there. We presented it to CABA, and CABA unanimously approved the project, and then became officially CABA Pro Bono.
I'm very happy right now. I can see like the future is getting clearer, and then now I'm a professional athlete. It's like something amazing. It's something amazing, and I'm really happy because CABA Pro Bono was willing to helping me out, and then it's something I'm grateful for. And I also like to thank them for that opportunity that they gave me.
CABA Pro Bono impacts the community not only by providing top-notch legal services to those members that are most in need, but also by caring for them and helping them to know that they are important to us and that they're important members of the community. We try to motivate them to reach their full potential and become contributing members of our community.
CABA has been a part of my professional career since I became a lawyer. It has been an organization that has given so much to its members, but more than that, CABA has always been about community. I know that the reason many of us became interested in the law is because of the innate and deep-rooted desire to give a voice to the voiceless and to those who are vulnerable, and in some cases, invisible. We are committed to making sure that everyone, no matter what their resources are, can be heard and receive the justice they deserve.
In order to execute our mission, it is vital for donors and attorneys and other members of our community to support CABA Pro Bono. Without the generosity of so many, CABA Pro Bono could not exist. We are currently up to 16 staff members, 9 of which are attorneys, representing thousands of the most needy members of our community. A lot of children, veterans, members of the population that truly need assistance. And without your generosity, we would not be able to provide them the assistance that they need. I am most grateful to all of our donors and encourage everyone to continue supporting CABA Pro Bono so that we could continue helping as many people as possible. Thank you.